Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I hope everyone is doing well. I am going to be showing you guys some dies that I have here. If you haven't already seen these dies, I had done a video showing you a couple of these dies and some projects, and I will put the details down below if you wanted to head over and have a look at the projects that I had done with some of the dies that I have here, and also where you can purchase it as well. I did mention in my last couple of videos with these dies, the store that has these is called INLOVEARTSHOP. I did say that they were a seller on AliExpress, and I do apologize. INLOVEARTSHOP has their own online store, and I will put their online store down below for you if you want to head over there and have a look at all of their lovely dies. The dies that I have here is also available for you to purchase in their store. And if you do purchase these dies, I will give you my promo code for you, and you will get a 15% off your purchase if you use my promo code in their online store. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the dies, which are these ones here that you can see on my desk. I'm going to just put these to the side and just quickly just run it through to you again, the dies that I had used in my other video, which is this really fun heart-shaped mini album die set. So you can make these cute little mini albums with this heart shape, and I'll just quickly show you what it looks like. And then if you wanted to have another look at the my project, I'll put the video down below for you and you can have a look. And this is what it looks like. So that's the shape when you run it through, so it's a nice size. And then there is also a smaller size that you get, which is that one. And also you get the plain heart-shaped die as well, which is this one here. So you get 3 pieces, and I made my pages as heart pockets for your album. So each page has a pocket, and yeah, this was really fun, really easy to make, and that's one of the dies that you can purchase that's available in the store. And then the other die that I'd also shown you in the other video was one of these ones. This die here, it's like a gift card folder booklet, and it has some score lines as well when you run it through, so it tells you where you need to fold your paper. And this is the end product when you run it through. And so when you open it up, you get that pocket, and that's where you can add your gift card in there as well. And then just close it up. There's a little flap there that slides in through a little slit there. And this is the other one that I've made. And then when I put in there a little packaged embellishment. So that's another fun die as well that's available. So I'll put them to the side. So I just want to run it through to you these dies, but I did also show some other dies as well, which I don't have here on me, but you can have a look at my other videos and just to see the sizes and what they look like if you wanted to buy them. So this video I'm going to show you these 2 dies. This one here is a pocket die, and it has a nice ornate pattern with it, and when running that through your machine, this is how it looks like. It looks like that, and then it has perforated lines as well. When you assemble it, it gives you a guide on where to fold your fold line. So I'll fold this one over, and then I'm going to show you one of my projects and what I used to make the pocket. So I'm just going to fold, there's the perforated line on the side, so you just fold that in, and then the same with the other side, just folding that in. So it makes it so much easier, and everything lines up perfectly. It cuts really well through your machine. It's really good quality metal die. So that is how it looks like. And then you just apply your glue to the part where we folded the sides. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of glue to one side and then again to the other side, and then just fold that over and press it down, and that gives you that nice pocket, and it gives you this little pattern there so you can still see through what's inside the pocket. And I'll show you what I made with my one. So it is a good size. I think it's about, let me just have a look and let you know, it's about 2¼ inches by about just over 3¼ inch in height. And then this is what I've made. So I've just made a little like a folder flip booklet, I guess you can call it that, and I've just folded in half, and then I've placed 2 pockets, one on each side of the folder. So this is one of them, and I've just placed a tag so you can still just slightly see through it. And then I just added some sticker embellishments to parts of the part where the pattern, and then I've just added some stickers there, a satin bow, and then on this side is another one, another tag in there. And the papers that I'm using for this project is by Kaisercraft. This is, I'm not too sure what collection this is, but it's a really lovely paper as well. So that's what I've done with this project using the pocket. And then the other die that I made was this die here. It's a favor treat bag or a goodie bag, gift bag die, and it's a really good size. You can put a few things in there, and this is the finished product when you put it together. So it is a good size as well, and it does fit a few things in there. I'll just show you the inside. It has little holes there as well where you could place your trim or string. So that's the inside. And when you run that through to the machine, you need to cut 2 pieces out. And this is the shape when you run it through. You need to cut 2 of those out, and I'll show you how to assemble it as well. So when you've got your first piece, the part here that's perforated on the very end is where we're going to attach the other piece together. So again, the perforated lines here are the lines that the parts where you need to fold your papers. Alright, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to fold this side first, and what we do here is we're going to fold it forward and then fold this one, sorry, you fold that back, I think that's right, yeah, sorry, you fold that back, and then the middle one you fold that forward, and the cardboard, the paper I'm using is a little bit thick, so just gently fold that over, and then you fold the last one back, just gently, just like that. And then I'm just going to fold these little bottom flaps as well, so it's easy for me to put together later. Alright, so that is how the left side of the gift bag will look like. And then what we've got to do here you're going to put glue on that last section there. So we'll put some glue there. Then we grab this piece and we're going to line this part here along the part where we applied the glue, and you want to line it up just below that part that we folded, and then you just want to make sure that these line up all along with that one. And that's why I like to use a liquid glue for these sort of projects. That way you've got time and to move it around and adjust and align your paper. Alright, so that is how that looks like, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to fold these as well now. So we fold the first score line back and then the middle one up just gently, and then this one back. Okay, and now we'll do the same and apply some glue to that end bit, and then we're going to bring this one over and we're just going to line that up, and you will see that it will come together easily. Put a bit too much glue on my one, and just making sure all the lines all line up. And as you can see, it's already forming into a little gift bag. And then you've got the bottom bit here where we need to close that up. So what we're going to do there is, firstly I'm going to fold them in, the little side flaps, then fold the ones, the longer bit over it like that. And I'm just going to now just dab a little bit of glue just to there and just to there to keep this one closed, and then just it will close. Oops, just hold it down for a second, and then just a little bit of glue just to the edge like that, and then we'll just push it all down together, and that will close the bottom. I'm just going to grab my scissors. Just going to go in here and just gently tap the bottom flaps just to make sure that they stick nicely. And that makes your little gift bag or treat bag, if you want to call it that. And then you just pinch that onto the side, and then you can then close it up and add your string around it to keep your gift bag closed. So that is how you make these gift bags. And again, I will put all the links down below for you, and also don't forget to use my promo code. I will put that down below too, so don't forget to use that in your when you finish your choosing what you want. You'll go down to the bottom, I think, and before before you purchase, you enter my promo code, and then it will automatically do a 15% discount and calculate your purchases, giving you that discount. So I hope you enjoyed this video using all the dies from INLOVE Art Shop, and I also have an Instagram. If you have Instagram, you can also follow them there, and I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and like this video if you like it, and leave a comment if you also would like to do that as well. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.